Is your Tesla Model S door not opening from the outside? You're not alone. This video will guide you through common causes and fixes. We'll cover handle issues, cable problems, and mechanism malfunctions, especially prevalent in models before 2021. While Tesla has improved door handle durability in newer models, like the Model S Plaid introduced in 2021, older models can still experience problems due to aging components or environmental factors. Let's dive in. Unlike traditional cars with mechanical door handles that physically pop out when you pull them, Tesla Model S uses a fully electronic latch system where everything is controlled by electric motors and sensors. In the Tesla system, the door handle doesn't pop out on its own. Instead, when you approach the vehicle with your key fob or press the unlock button on the touchscreen, a small electric motor inside the door deploys the handle outward, making it available for you to pull. The electronic door system consists of several key components working together. Let's examine each one in detail. First is the handle actuator, which is the small electric motor that physically moves the handle in and out. This motor receives signals from the car's computer and can fail due to electrical issues or mechanical wear after years of use. Next is the Bowden cable, a flexible cable that connects the handle actuator to the latch mechanism inside the door. This cable transmits the pulling force when you open the door and can become stretched, kinked, or damaged over time, especially in older vehicles. The latch mechanism is the core locking system that actually secures the door to the vehicle frame. It consists of electronic components like strikers and pawls that engage and disengage when you lock or unlock the door. This is where most mechanical failures occur. All of these components are controlled by the vehicle's body control module, or BCM, which is essentially the car's central computer for body electronics. The BCM processes signals from your key fob, touchscreen inputs, and various sensors to coordinate the door system's operation. Failures in the electronic door system can stem from several causes: a worn actuator motor that can't deploy the handle, a stretched or kinked Bowden cable that doesn't transmit force properly, or a faulty latch mechanism that fails to engage or disengage. These issues are more common in older Model S vehicles and can often be diagnosed through the car's onboard systems. Before diving into hardware repairs, start with basic diagnostic steps. First, try a simple software reboot through the touchscreen to clear any temporary glitches. Next, check for any error codes that might indicate the issue. Use Tesla's diagnostic app if available, or visit a service center for professional tools to scan the system. Now perform a visual inspection of the door and handle. Look for any visible damage, scratches, or misalignment that could prevent proper operation. Finally, if comfortable with basic tools, try a manual test of the latch mechanism. This requires partial disassembly, so exercise caution and consider professional help if unsure. Several factors can cause Tesla Model S door issues. A low 12-volt battery, which powers the actuator motor, is a frequent culprit. Software glitches can also prevent the handle from deploying properly. Water ingress, especially in colder climates, can damage electronic components. And mechanical wear and tear after 100,000 miles or more is another possibility. For a quick fix, try a software reset. Go to the touchscreen settings, select Service, then Power Off. Wait 30 seconds, then restart the vehicle. If that doesn't work, the next steps will involve more in-depth troubleshooting. Handle actuator and Bowden cable issues are common in Tesla Model S doors. Symptoms include a clicking sound or no response when trying to open the door from the outside. The handle actuator is a small motor that extends and retracts the handle paddle. If failing, it may need replacement costing between $200 and $400. The Bowden cable connects the handle to the latch mechanism. It can stretch or kink over time, preventing proper door release. Replacement is simpler and costs around $50 to $100. To access these components, you must remove the door panel. Always consult a guide specific to your Model S year to avoid damage. If the handle deploys but the door won't open, the latch mechanism itself may be faulty. This could be due to corrosion, a broken component, or electrical issues within the latch. Replacing the entire latch assembly is a more expensive repair, ranging from $500 to $800. This often requires professional assistance to ensure proper alignment and functionality. For minor issues like cleaning corroded contacts, as frequently discussed in Tesla owner forums, simple DIY fixes can often resolve the problem without professional help. However, for more complex repairs involving actuator or latch replacements, it's best to consult trained technicians. This is particularly important if your vehicle is still under warranty, as DIY attempts could void coverage. Regular preventative maintenance is key to avoiding problems. Tesla recommends biannual inspections of the door mechanisms to catch potential issues early. Tesla's 2025 Service Bulletin specifically emphasizes this preventive maintenance approach to ensure long-term reliability of your vehicle's door systems. Tesla is increasingly relying on software updates to address door issues. Over-the-air updates can recalibrate sensors and update firmware to improve handle responsiveness. OTA updates provide a convenient way to deliver these fixes directly to the vehicle, ensuring better performance without visiting a service center. AI diagnostics in Tesla service centers are reducing repair times significantly, allowing for quicker identification and resolution of problems. Future Model S versions may integrate with full self-driving software for hands-free access, making door operation even more seamless. As electric vehicles become more common, door reliability will be a key differentiator, so expect continued innovation in this area.